Hi guys, welcome to Shifting Gears, and as you can notice, I am driving the Mahindra XUV 700 one more time. We have extensive reviews of this SUV on our channel, so I hope that first you have subscribed to Shifting Gears, pressed that bell icon, and that you have checked out the previous content pieces that we have uploaded. आज ये जो वेरिएंट मैं चला रहा हूँ, this is the AX7L variant, and this is the diesel automatic trim. And in this video we are going to focus on the driving experience अगर आप ये गाड़ी खरीदना चाहते हो, and if you want to go highway mile munching, and also if you want to drive it around inside the city. अभी मैं इस गाड़ी को चला रहा हूँ out on the Mumbai-Pune expressway, and of course towards the end of the video I'm going to enter Mumbai city limits. So let's first quickly revise the specifications, because it has been quite some time since we last spoke about this safe Mahindra XUV 700. Now powering this particular variant which I have with me today is a 2.2 liter turbo diesel CRDI 4-cylinder engine. This produces 136 kilowatts of power and 450 Newton meters of torque with this automatic gearbox. अगर आप इस गाड़ी का manual variant खरीद लोगे, you are going to get 420 Newton meters of torque. Also, this diesel engine is sold with a detuned version which produces 114 kilowatts of power and 360 Newton meters of torque. उस detuned variant के साथ आपको सिर्फ एक 6-speed manual gearbox का option मिल जाएगा. But with these higher spec top trim versions, you are either going to get a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. Now this 6-speed 80 unit is a conventional torque converter automatic. There are no paddle shifts either, but you do get Tiptronic. And इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको एक 60 liter fuel tank capacity मिल रही है. Now since I have mentioned that you are going to get a 60 liter fuel tank capacity, let me first talk about the fuel efficiency number, which has surprised me throughout my review drive experience for this second time. सबसे पहले तो let me tell you that since I have been driving it, I have used this XUV 700 in the past 3 days for 417 kilometers. I have driven it extensively inside city limits, inside Bombay. I have driven it in peak hour traffic, and when I had a mixed driving usage, जब मैं इस गाड़ी को हाईवे पे चला रहा था, and when I was stuck in bumper to bumper traffic, the combined mileage figure was fluctuating between 13 to 15 kmpl, and that is a fantastic number for a car which has so much power on tap, which is so big on the inside too, and it has all the road presence which will massage your ego. अभी जब मैं इस गाड़ी को चला रहा हूँ out on the highway, today I have been only mile munching on the highway, and the mileage figure which I can see right now is 17.5 kmpl, but this is after I have idled the engine for a long time. When I was just cruising out on the highway close to 80 to 90 kilometers per hour, the mileage figure was at 20 kmpl, and that is just phenomenal. But that is only with 2 people on board. Even right now I have my cameraman seated in the back seat, but that mileage figure should definitely keep you happy. Very quickly, check this out. When you enter a tunnel, this is how the cabin looks. The driver's cockpit is fantastic. This Mahindra XUV 700, for a made in India car, I think this is the best effort yet by a Indian car manufacturer, and Mahindra has hit the ball out of the park with the finishing levels in this car. Of course, there are some things which could have been better, like you don't get an electrochromic rear view mirror, which is a big miss. I would have loved if the massive sunroof was 2 centimeters shorter, and I got that as a feature. And also इस गाड़ी में आपको ventilated seat function नहीं मिल रहा है. But of course the variant that I have today, it gets all the ADAS features. ADAS features के लिए हमने एक अलग वीडियो अपलोड कर रखा है, so do check it out. You will get to know all the functionality. And now let's talk in our typical fashion. Let's focus on the engine, the gearbox, and the overall drive experience with this XUV 700. So first, because I'm going to talk about the refinement, let me pull over to the shoulder and let's listen to the engine, shall we? So now I'm going to slot it in neutral and just listen to the engine. I'm going to rev it. इतना डीजल इंजन का आवाज आपको कैबिन में जरूर सुनाई देगा. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू किक द थ्रॉटल पेडल एंड नाउ कीप लिसनिंग टू द इंजन. ओके, not bad. A little clattery for sure, but this is a diesel engine, and I don't think the NVH package is going to trouble you too much. But if you test drive the petrol XUV 700, which by the way comes with 200 horsepower, in that comparison आपको ये engine थोड़ी noisy लग सकती है. Also, especially when you are driving it at slow speeds, when the engine is upshifting, short shifting to a higher gear in city traffic, that clatter is a little more audible, but that is only when you don't have the music playing and your AC fan blower is at a low setting. All of those ambient noises will mask the engine noise. So I think in your ownership cycle, the diesel engine noise, the NVH package is not something that is going to trouble you too much. One more time, listen to the engine. I'm going to kick the pedal one more time. Roll-on acceleration is also quite good, and even at triple digit speeds, like serious triple digit speeds, ज़्यादा wind noise cabin के अंदर creep नहीं होता है. थोड़ा बहुत road noise आपको ज़रूर सुनाई देगा, but then that is due to the fact that we are driving on a concrete piece of road right now. Overall, the NVH is quite acceptable, and I have no complaints with this XUV 700. Now, इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको total 4 driving modes मिलते हैं. You have a drive mode selector button over here on this center console, and when you tap it, you can't just keep pressing the button to change those modes. You have to reach out to the digital display, this infotainment, and select the drive mode that you want. Of course, you know by now that you get zip, zap, zoom, and custom modes. Now that is Mahindra's terminology. Zip is eco, zap is normal, zoom is sport, and of course you have custom mode जिसमें आप काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें configure कर सकते हो. So when you select custom mode, you can configure it even on the go. तो आप engine power, braking bias, climate control setting, and steering setup, and the overall theme of the infotainment, ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं आप customize कर सकते हो ताकि आपको इस गाड़ी को चलाते समय ज़्यादा connected feel मिल सके. Now going back to the drive modes, zip mode is eco. Zip mode जब आप select कर लेते हो, you will notice that your throttle is a little muted. तो जब आप throttle pedal press कर देते हो, you will not get that explosive progression. It will be very gentle and काफ़ी linear power और torque delivery आपको मिल जाएगी. Not that it is not linear and smooth in other modes. When you switch to zoom mode, if you keep your throttle pedal pressed at the same level, you will still notice the difference in the throttle maps, and you will make that out. So zoom mode is going to allow you to really make fast-paced overtakes out on the highway. And when you change these modes, आप देख सकते हो speedometer cluster का जो layout है वो भी change हो जाता है. It looks nice, and this display is quite crisp. So as a driver, as a owner of this XUV 700, you are definitely going to feel special because Mahindra has gone all out to offer you all the tech kit in this car, and to ensure that you feel good when you spend over 2 million rupees on road on an SUV here in India. Now I'm going to pull over to the shoulder one more time, and this time we are going to accelerate from a standstill in zoom mode, which is sport mode. Since I am at a standstill, let me tell you, इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको eco start stop functionality नहीं मिलती है. The engine will not get turned off if you are at a standstill. This car does get auto hold, so right now I have released the brake pedal, but the car is still stationary. As soon as you tap the throttle pedal, it will start moving forward. अगर आपको चाहिए आप ये auto hold functionality switch off भी कर सकते हो, and you get an electronic park brake. So now in zoom mode, still in standard D mode, and let's push it. Over 60 kilometers per hour, touched 100, now at 120 plus, and it just keeps picking up pace very very fast, and power delivery जो है, it is very smooth. It is not at all jerky. और 120 kilometers per hour के ऊपर भी there is a lot of poke, there is a lot of punch. So This XUV 700 will continue to pick up pace very nicely, at least up to 160-170 kilometers per hour. But that is only when the roads will allow you to do that, because otherwise you're going to get expensive speeding tickets. Now, if you want to drive this XUV 700 in a sporty way, आपको इस गाड़ी के साथ कोई steering wheel mounted paddle shifts नहीं मिल रहे हैं, but you do get Tiptronic functionality. So you can push this gear selector to the left hand side, and when you do that, you can push it upwards to upshift and push it down to downshift. So let's check how responsive this gearbox is. Right now I am in 4th gear at 77 kilometers per hour, and when I downshift, it is not downshifting because it is not ideal right now. But if I want to upshift, it is quite fast, it is jerk free, and it was a very smooth experience. But now if I want to downshift, say for example if I want to make an overtaking maneuver, it does that quite nicely, and there was no jerk, there was no hesitation at all. Of course it is not lightning quick like a DCT, but it is not slow at all. Let me do that one more time. So I'm in 4th, upshifting, no head nod, बिल्कुल भी jerky movement आपको feel नहीं होने वाली है. And if you want, at 80 kilometers per hour, you can't really upshift to 6th. To upshift to 6th, let me check what is going to be the ideal speed. You can do that above 85 kilometers per hour, but that is when you want to do it. I would say that just leave it in standard D mode. If you're buying an automatic, why do you want to go through all of this? That is defying the whole purpose of buying an automatic. But nevertheless, this automatic gearbox, quite nice, and if you want to play around with it manually, you will have a decent amount of fun too. Now as you can see, I am at 80 kilometers per hour out on the highway, and when I kick the pedal, picks up pace brilliantly, already over 100, now touching 120, and this is fantastic power delivery. And this XUV 700, it does enough justice to all the hype that it has built, because the car does look good. It is not a bad looking car at all. Of course the design language is evolutionary. XUV 500 के comparison में ये XUV 700, it does look like a product from the same brand. It doesn't look like a completely different car altogether. There are subtle design cues which give you that, you know, understanding that this is an XUV. But it is punchy, it is powerful, and it is a good engine. And we know that Mahindra's diesel engines have gone through the test of time, and they are fairly reliable too. Now that petrol engine, we have to wait and watch what are going to be the ownership reviews, if the fuel efficiency is going to keep people happy, whoever has bought it. So let's wait and watch. Talking about the suspension, is XUV 700 के साथ at the front you are getting McPherson strut independent units. At the back you have multi-link independent suspension. At both ends you have FSDs and a stabilizer bar. And let me tell you, the ride quality is fantastic. I was driving it in city, I was driving it over bad roads. Right now I am mile munching on the highway. I am very comfortable in this car. Me in the driver's seat, I have a very good commanding driving position. मैं इस गाड़ी के lowest seat height setting पे बैठा हूँ. By the way, it does get electric seat height adjustments. You also get memory functions. You have 3 memory presets over here. And from the driver's point of view, spot on. Typical SUV. It doesn't feel very car-like, even though this is a monocoque SUV. Now, coming back to the suspension part and the ride quality part, जब आप खराब से खराब रास्तों पे इस गाड़ी को चला लोगे, it is a Mahindra. It is built to beat that particular situation, and it does. थोड़े बहुत थर्ड्स आपको जरूर सुनाई देंगे because this car runs on big alloy wheels, but आपको ज़्यादा झटके कैबिन के अंदर फील नहीं होंगे on your body. So this is an XUV, this is an SUV, and it will justify that SUV tag. When you are out on the highway, if you want to make fast-paced lane changes and overtaking maneuvers, it stays in your control nicely. And although this is a big car, although there is some amount of body roll, thanks to all the modern electronics that you get with this car, It stays in your control at all time. Also, जब आप इस गाड़ी को तेज चला लोगे, the steering wheel also weighs up nicely, so it is not going to make you feel very nervous. Now say for example आप किसी इमरजेंसी में इस गाड़ी को मैन्यूवर करना चाहते हो and you want to make very sharp lane changes, and if you do this, it is very easy to maintain a safe line. It is very easy to maintain your desired line. The car will follow your steering input, and also if it does detect a collision, which is going to happen, it has all those features, those ADAS features, so that the car will slow down, it will automatically brake by itself, and it will also come to a standstill if you have been following other cars making use of the adaptive cruise control functionality. Now let me demonstrate that as well, because last time when we did it, it was at Mahindra's test facility. Right now we are in the real world, so setting the cruise control at 70 kilometers per hour, and as you can notice there is a car in front of me, but this XUV700, it is maintaining a safe line. I can move the cruise control speed to 90 right now, and thanks to the lane keep assist, I don't necessarily have to steer the vehicle. This XUV is maintaining a nice and safe line, making use of the lane markers, and I can have a relaxed time. Right now the speed is 62 kilometers per hour, although I have set it at 90 kilometers per hour, the cruise control. And as soon as the car in front of me picks up pace, ये जो XUV है, it will also start picking up pace. If the car in front of me comes to a complete halt, a standstill, ये आपकी गाड़ी जो है ये भी पूरी तरह से रुक जाएगी without you touching the brake pedal at all. So that is also a big safety and convenience feature. तो अगर आप long distance tours के लिए ये गाड़ी चलाना चाहते हो, all of these features are definitely going to keep you happy. And also the ride quality is brilliant. The car in front of me has picked up pace. I have still not touched the steering wheel. Of course I am alert and attentive, and right now I am at 89 kilometers per hour, and if the car in front of me slows down, I will slow down too. But if I want to take manual controls, I can just kick the throttle pedal, adaptive cruise control will switch off, and I can just overtake slower cars out on the highway with absolute ease, because there is a lot of punch and there is 450 Newton meters of torque available on tap. एक और चीज जो आपने नोटिस करनी चाहिए अगर आप ये गाड़ी खरीद लेते हो विद द ADAS पैक, अगर आप विदाउट टर्न इंडिकेटर इनपुट लेन चेंज करना चाहते हो, the steering will be a little hesitant because the ADAS will try to alert you that you are moving out of the lane without notifying the car that you are doing so. So that is a safety feature. It might get annoying if you keep it on at all times, so give or take, that is your choice if you like it or if you dislike it. But for me, I think this car makes a lot of sense. For this kind of money what the XUV700 asks, there is no other car which offers you so much and which is going to keep you so happy. The car will handle broken terrain. You inside will be comfortable. There is ample space. 5 लोग इस गाड़ी में काफी आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. Plus you will have a lot of space for your luggage. This panoramic sunroof is going to add a lot of drama जब आप इस गाड़ी को रात को चला लेते हो, and especially in monsoon it is going to look very very cool. You get dual zone climate control, and the sound system, the Sony sound system, fantastic. You have to go and take a test ride and you have to listen to the music in this car, and you will be just blown away with what Mahindra is offering with this car. It is just such a phenomenal package. जब महिंद्रा ने सबसे पहली बार XUV इंडियन मार्केट में लॉन्च की थी, it just smashed all the competition in that particular price range across segments. And even this time, this XUV700 has all the potential to ruin the party for all cars competing in this price range. Right now, I have exited the Mumbai-Pune Expressway and now I am inside Navi Mumbai city limits. I'm going to switch to zip mode, which is eco mode. It is a little sunny right now. I have top sun. There is some reflection on this huge black piece, this single piece unit, but all the readouts are very clear, तो आपको data consume करने में दिक्कत नहीं होगी. but you will also be able to see your rear passengers on this black applique. So that is a finer detail which I want to share with you. Not that it is going to make any difference in your ownership, but something that you will notice. जब आप crawling speeds पे इस गाड़ी को चलाने वाले हो, I don't know if you can hear the engine. If you can, that is something that you have to gauge. The steering wheel is light. आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी होगी. This XUV 700 is easy to manage. आपको चारों corners काफ़ी आसानी से समझ में आ जाएंगे इस गाड़ी के. And if you think you are new to such a big car and if you are a little scared in your early days of ownership, you get 360-degree camera support, so you can maneuver your car very safely. You also get a bird's eye view, so you can drive this car in a secure manner and not feel nervous when you are stuck in traffic. So इस गाड़ी में आपको वो सभी फीचर्स मिलते हैं जो आप आज के तारीख में एक मॉडर्न कार से एक्सपेक्ट करते हो. And all of them are working fine. So all the naysayers who are doubting will all the features work? Well, this car is a media unit. It has done more than 3,700 kilometers so far, and let me tell you, these media cars are really bashed a lot. There is not a single rattle inside the cabin, and everything works. All the buttons work. None of the buttons are loose or falling apart. So you can be rest assured that if you take good care of your car, this XUV 700 will surely last the distance. Now, talking about the braking feel and feedback, the braking performance is nice. You get all 4 disc brakes, very confident braking, and you can stop it safely. Of course, the car's collision prevention feature will brake the car by itself if it thinks it is necessary. आपको audible notification, audible alert भी सुनाई देगा if you are approaching a car in front of you at a higher speed. And if you want to stomp on the brakes, there is not too much of nosedive either, which is typical of those old school SUVs. This is a modern car and it is doing enough justice. In terms of comfort, ये जो armrest है, you can slide it backwards and forwards. आपको डोर पैड पे भी लेदरेट अपहोल्स्ट्री मिल जाती है, so where you rest your hands you get soft touch feeling, and the steering wheel is also of the right size and it feels good in your hand. It is not too small, so it does feel like a proper big car from behind the wheel. The dead pedal is also quite generous, so even if you wear a big shoe, if your shoe size is a little too large, there is enough space for you to rest your left foot. So on your long journeys, you're not going to be tired. But yes, ventilated seats is a must-have in Indian weather conditions, and especially in cars with leather seats, because if you park it under the sun, this is going to result in a sweaty back. So that's pretty much it, guys. I have already spoken a lot about the XUV 700 before, and this was my realistic drive experience. This is the real world. Last time we were at a media drive. This time I have it all by myself and I could experience the car on my terms, and I have been thoroughly impressed. If someone is going to ask me, should you wait for 1 year for the XUV 700? Well, it is a long wait, and you might be in 2 minds because there might be something else, a sweeter deal which you might get. But if you have the patience to wait, this car is definitely going to be rewarding enough. It is a big size, so you get all the real estate on wheels that you need. It is comfortable, it is loaded with all the features, and it does come with ADAS, which a lot of people on the Indian streets are not even aware of. But your car will have it, and it will keep you safe. This XUV 700 is a 5-star rated car by Global NCAP, so it is a safe car for you and your family. What more do you need? अगर आपके और कोई सवाल हैं इस गाड़ी के बारे में, do ask me in the comments below. I will try my best to help you out. Let me know what is your opinion about the XUV 700. क्या लगता है आपको इस गाड़ी के प्राइसिंग के बारे में? Do you think this car makes sense? Do you think this car justifies the price? Do you think this car looks good on the outside or on the inside? What is your preference? What is your opinion? Subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press that bell icon, always drive safe, always wear your seat belts, and always, guys, try to have both your hands on the steering wheel whenever you don't have that ADAS functionality. Because when you drive it in this way, 9 and 3, you are going to get the most amount of confidence pushing it into a corner. See you soon.